Pointing straight ahead, there's a loon. And then over here, there's another one. They're together now. They're gonna pop up somewhere out in the middle, I bet. There we go, still there. The two loons are swimming off to my left. They keep diving. Fishing. Buddies, see? They keep diving though. Heading over to this, I don't know, we call it like a cove. I don't know what it actually is. There they are again, I guess. Where'd they go? They dive already? There they are. There's one. Hi, buddy.
He's looking for his friend. He's right here.
Hi, buddy. Wow, that's close. That's like 10 feet from Susan. Wow. Coming to say hi. They should know these kayaks by now. There he is again.
He can't find his friend. Look at him.
There's one right in front of you. Hi, buddy. That is close. On the dragonfly. There they are together. We'll see them later. We'll go back in this little. Pretty shallow in here.
I'm minutes in a row.
It's not flowing hard.
I'm scared.
It's not bad. Got some lily pads here. If I can get on top of one, I can show you. Nice and peaceful back here. This is where we have come with our friends and stopped at Subway first, and we'll come out here and have dinner. There's a lily pad coming up. See if I can get close enough to it. That beautiful flower. Over here, there's a little dam over there that you can hear the water rushing over. Hopefully I got that. Nice back here. She's afraid to come back. Seen some more fish here. Nothing too big. I imagine we'll see some fish jump in and breach the water here. Sounds like there's people on that beach over there.
Yeah. They're on the dock, aren't they?
Oh yeah. Might be fishing. Here they are, straight ahead.
in the trees.
Yeah.
Is it an eagle?
No.
There's the loonies in front of us. We just dove. Oh no,
One, yeah. They're both still up. They're peeking their heads under, trying to fish. I'd like to see those. I don't know what they're called though. No, but the ones that we watch fish, they dive.
Yeah.
I'd like to catch some of that.
Yeah. Oh, look at that bird.
Yeah.
You think he's gonna die?
I don't know. Maybe.
Looks like it.
This is that area right here where that heron was.
Yeah. Right on that little land.
That would have been amazing if I would have had the GoPro that day, huh? There's at least one up there. Point the boat at it so you can see. It's gonna dive. Oh. Yeah. And there's the beach. There, he just popped up. You should have been wearing the GoPro today, Mama.
What?
You should have been wearing this today. Because he was like,
Yeah, I know.
something's over there too.
He likes
What is
moving.
that?
Huh.
That looks like it could be a beaver, but
Yeah. It's small one. It is.
we think we found a beaver here.
Yep. It is.
He dove.
You gotta watch him.
He dove. Yep.
He's going to his house. Show the house.
Loons and beavers. Oh my.
Our beaver friends and our loon friend.
Well, I think the beaver friend's going to see the loon friend. He popped up over there now.
Okay, let's follow him.
I don't think it can be seen on. Yeah, I know. He just dove. I'm gonna guess where he's coming out. I'm gonna try to get close to him here. Probably get slapped. What? He'll slap the water on me. I don't know if there's more than one, but I see one. Getting a little closer each time. if you can see him on the camera here. Just his head up. He just dove. Making a little ground each time he dives. Should be popping up here in a little bit. There he is. Right, straight ahead. You can see him. He's just getting ready to dive. Probably can't see much of him, but he's there, and he's gonna dive. He just dove. Trying to make some ground. Popping up a little bit, pretty close to me here. Where'd he go? There he is, right straight ahead. You guys can see him. He's diving. Should be pretty close to him this time. There he is. Straight ahead. He's heading straight towards his beaver dam. Which is, well, actually it's not. I'm going to try to speed up. Catch him. Going to be popping up any second. There he is, right straight ahead. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Just dove. The chase is on. He might slap me now because we are so close. I expect him to pop up kind of right in front of me here. I just don't know how far. Oh, there he is right there. He just splashed. I don't think he cares for me following him. There he is. Hi, buddy. Apparently he doesn't speak buddy. He doesn't know I'm his friend. There he is again. Gonna give a big splash here. Hi, buddy. There he is. I think I'll leave him alone now. But since I'm over here, I might go back in this little covey area. I don't know where Susan's at. She's way out there. I think maybe I'll skip that and just go back. We usually see 3 loons on this lake that we know of at any given time together. We've seen only 2 today, but we've seen them all over the lake, everywhere we've been. I'll take you up by the Beaver Dam here. What? This is really shallow up against this riverbank here. Probably see some fish. Not seen any fish jump yet. It's getting a little weedy in here. It's a little weedy in here. Well, spots of it anyways.
Oh my gosh, there's a turtle right in front of me! Oh, he came right up.
Wow.
Dang, he scared me.
I think you need a GoPro.
No. Holy cow. He's right here.
That is cool.
Popped his head up right here.
Wow. I got that, I followed that beaver for a while.
Yeah.
And he's getting to the point where he was starting to try to splash his tail, slap his tail.
Where did he go?
The same area where we followed him before.
Over there?
Yeah. I let him go. I don't want to cause him any stress. I just want to get some shots. I can feel that sun.
I know it's hot on my back. My back of my arms is burning. I probably scared that turtle to death. Like the cartoon eyes.
Yeah. Yep.
Sweet locked eyes.
Oh, just like you did with the beaver the other day. Locking eyes.
The beaver's eyes. They like to come up to me.
That is a beaver dam, I believe. I don't know how well you can see that, but see some fish swimming. Bunch of them, a bunch of little ones in here. It's getting shallow, hitting bottom. There are some nice lily pads up here.
Are we going into the corner?
I'd like to, but I think that guy is fishing. Couple of lily pads, lilies here. They're in nice shape. I gotta.
I'm stuck in the lily pads.
Yeah. Couple small fish swimming side by side there.
I'm hot.
I know, I am too. Might have to move out to the middle of the lake to get some breeze. There's Lily coming up here.
Trout.
See ya?
Yep.
Little fish right there. I don't know my fish, so I can't tell you what that is. There's gonna be some fish in this area with all these lily pads. Should we come back tonight?
Yeah, we could.
Do the sunset thing tonight? I do need to get out in where there's going to be some breeze because I'm just really hot. We can, but I want to get out to the breeze first.